Welcome to the 2019 REBNY PropTech Challenge finalist presentations in partnership with the MIPIM Startup Competition. This year's brokerage category was sponsored by Connected Real Estate Magazine.
Next up, we have Philip Lichterhoff from JuJu Suite. Put it together, guys.
Hello everyone. 87% of properties sold. Sorry. Hi everyone. 87% of properties sold last year actually used the sales agents in that process. However, how much do we developers control the efficiency of that sales process is questionable. So I'm Philip Lichterhoff and I'm co-founder and CEO of cloud-based solution JuJuSuite, which allows developers to control, manage, and improve the efficiency of their sales. So up to date, the sales process has been automated at various stages of the sales process, being promotion and lead generation and actual sale close. However, how much developers know what happens during the process when actual agent meets the particular client? Their knowledge is based on the written reports they receive on a weekly and sometimes monthly basis from their agents. And actual problem is even worse. It's unavoidable human factor, which involves the agent's own view and their own agent's own view and their memory about that particular meeting. So we found a solution. We decided to replace the printed materials with a cloud-based interactive presentation which features an automatically created scenario of a story about the project in regard according to the client profile. So here how our solution works. A real estate developer actually controls the content of the presentation and invites their respective agents via JuJuSuite online account. And the next step, once the agent receives the invitation and accepts it, they have an up-to-date presentation across all devices, so they can start the sales straight away and showing the units to the customers. In order to improve the quality of the scenario, they have to input the data about the client, something like name and marital status, etc., etc. I mean other parameters which may include, which may impact the journey. Following that, like Google Analytics, a real estate developer has a real-time knowledge of the activity in the presentation, and they can control and adjust the sale pricing. They can switch in agencies as well as change their marketing campaign as a whole. The European market alone develops 500 billion of properties per year, and almost half of the agents confirm that old school materials is not enough for them to be able to efficiently market the properties. Last but not the least is the team. My co-founder Eugen has 20 years of experience in B2B software development solutions, myself being 8 years in real estate investment and development, and our great team of software developers and designers. And last thing I wanted to conclude the presentation is we want developers to build, sales agents to sell, and the JuJuSuite to do the rest. Thank you.
Yeah, so it seems like there's a lot of feature functionality that's offered with your product. How is it packaged and sold?
So basically it's very simple. We actually charge per square meter on the platform. So because we have a real-time availability of the units on the platform, we charge €1, $1 or £1 per square meter on the platform. And therefore whenever a unit is sold, it's obviously the price is decreasing.
Got it. And how is what is the presentation application creation process look like? Are they uploading it, or does that happen within the application?
So basically how it happens, sorry we just had 3 minutes, so we had to remove that information, but basically we started as a high-end virtual reality company, so we did it ourselves. But at the moment we're creating an API which would allow digital marketing agencies to actually create the content for our platform, so developers will be able to use that. And even actually today, I got a call from London that one of the largest digital marketing agency contacted us and wanted to be a provider of that digital collateral.
Can you tell us about your track record today?
Yeah, so we currently have 2 projects live on the platform, and we have 2 in the pipeline. And again, today we had the call from London that we finally, after half a year of communications, signed one of the projects, real estate projects by LVMH Group, to be on our platform.
What's your biggest hurdle at the moment to go to market strategy?
Sorry?
What's your biggest hurdle?
I would say that we are still in the process of full automation, and therefore we are still doing those presentations ourselves, and it's actually to persuade real estate developers and explain them why they need something like that, because real estate unfortunately is still quite conservative industry.
Thank you so much.